Alright, so we've got some new Emax RSII2306 Race Spec 2 motor. I'm going to be using these. These are 1700 kV. I'm going to use these for my long range rig. I do have some of the long range props on here to give a try. This is kind of like just a test to see what we can do to get, you know, longevity of flight out of this. I had some 2308, 2300 kV motors on here, and it was an amp killer. And batteries would last about 3 minutes, you know, typical 3-minute flight time. I'm trying to get more flight time out of them. I'm trying to get it 5, maybe 7 minutes of flight time. So that's what I'm hoping to get with this unit here. So what I have in here is I have a Helio spring flight controller. That's with the new Butterflight. And I have a Race Flight Bolt 4-in-1 ESC. I believe this is a V2 ESC. This flight controller combo with this ESC is great. It's extremely strong. It's capable of 50 amps times 4. So you shouldn't be able to pop it just from cruising with this setup. This should be a longevity setup here that I've built. I wanted something that's going to last me a long time. Immersion RC Tramp HV VTX. It's capable of 600 milliwatts. And it's got a nice little controller here that I can use my my wand with to change my channel and my milliwatts and all that stuff, actual power. So that's one cool thing about that VTX that I put in here, and that's why I chose it. Had these for a little while now, and I have not tested the 1700s yet, so today you're going to see some flight footage of some 1700 kV. I'm not even going to include any of the other footage that I have from the other motors, because it just wasn't, it didn't perform the way I wanted to. And this, hopefully, from specs and everything else, this is going to do exactly what I want. These are going to be more powerful than the LS motors. Alright y'all, it's super windy. Sorry about the wind. I'm going to test out this this build here. We're going to see what these are like. I flew it this morning. It was pretty cool. Had some jello on the GoPro, so I'm going to do the DVR and I'm going to do the RunCam 3. Alright guys.
Shouldn't even be warm.
Shut off here. They're pretty warm.
Okay.
But not unbearable. Yeah, take it. They're just warm. They're not scorching hot.
That was quiet. I liked it.
Yeah. First time flying with FrSky, guys, that far away. And it was solid. Like, I had no connectivity issues, no flippity floppities, anything going on. So if you guys really want to build a long range rig, check out Healing FPV. This one's not getting changed anymore. This is my long range setup. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it.